So, what's up YouTube? Welcome to this new channel I'm starting. So I thought I'd give a little history here, how I came about starting this channel. 3 months ago I was stuck here in quarantine, as I think most people were, and I guess I just was bored. You know, it's just like, you know, I've never driven a motorcycle before. Yeah, so I just YouTubed how to drive a motorcycle, and I came across Blockhead. He had a video where he was in the Fun Spot parking lot in Orlando, and he basically just went over the basics of how to drive a motorcycle. So, of course, I probably picked the worst time to try to go out and learn how to drive a motorcycle because, you know, quarantine going on, nothing was open. No one was doing anything. You know, watched a ton of his videos, you know, basically all through the basics of how to just even start a motorcycle, just to get on a motorcycle, you know, basics of shifting, and, you know, just like try to learn as much as I could. So, you know, like fast forward like 3 months, finally just was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy myself a motorcycle. Like a month ago, I started looking seriously on Facebook to see if I could find any good deals for a used Iron 883. You know, I figured that'd be a kind of a good beginner bike. And you know, I ended up finding this one right here. So what I got right here is a 2017 stock Iron 883. Picked up the bike a few weeks ago, and yeah, I've been just teaching myself how to ride. Let's go in here. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, so I'm coming over to like places like this. I'm at a, you know, empty parking lot right now in this dead mall. You know, just practicing some basics, you know. Basically came up to here, you know, so now I got this Iron 883. Like I said, it was all stock, you know, but, you know, I got the bug to, you know, basically you know, basically figure out how to ride. I just got another bike up here. All right, let's head out of here. Let's get keep going on with this ride. So yeah, I've been learning to ride, so, you know, just doing these quick little loops around area in which I live. I'm over here in Tampa, you know, not too far away from Blockhead or shade trees over on the other side of Tampa. So I'm calling this channel Get Wrenched because, you know, my whole thing is like, I like to do things myself. And one thing that kind of drew me to driving a motorcycle, or just motorcycles in general, is kind of the whole DIY nature of them. You know, kind of modding and wrenching on them just to make them kind of your own. And that kind of really appealed to me a lot because I'm a big DIYer, kind of like to do things myself. Like to basically, you know, make things my own. So, you know, I figured, you know, if I can do it, anyone can do it. You know, I'm not a mechanic, but, you know, there's nothing I won't try to figure out and do myself, and, you know, have some fun doing it. But one thing I gotta get used to is the whole motovlogging is talking to myself. I'm not quite used to doing this. You know, I definitely think in my head all the time, you know, thoughts but, you know, talking out loud is another story. Let's go in here and turn around. Yeah, so I set up this MotoVlogging Setup just to see how it goes, you know. But I figured I'd do, you know, some installs, reviews. It's kind of one of the things I really liked about motorcycles, just they can kind of explore. Throttle's a little sticky. Yeah, so I already have a few things planned for this bike, so it's not going to remain stock forever. It's my whole thought behind buying a stock bike was just so I could do what I wanted and kind of just learn to mod the bike. So, like, you know, obviously the first couple things I wanted to do is air cleaner, exhaust, yeah, some new, you know, that's kind of just the basic stuff. But I really like the look of like that chopped fender bobber look. So maybe something in that realm, the bobber style. But I already got the exhaust. It just came in. I got the air cleaner in. So I'm gonna install those. I got a tuner coming in. Man, that sun is a biatch. So yeah, anyway, getting back to it. So yeah, we're gonna come do some mods to this bike. Definitely pipes, definitely cleaner, and some little things like the grips could be better. These grips are just a little, I don't know, I don't dig them too much. There's a bunch of other stuff we could do. Yeah, and so I'm just I'm gonna do my little daily rides, get better at riding. You know, hopefully I can try to hook up with some other riders in Tampa. That'd be cool to meet, like, you know, Blockheads, Shade Tree, Flip Nah, all those guys. I don't know, we'll see what this YouTube channel does. But yeah, anyways, hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hey, hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more stuff. You know, hit that bell. You know, and I'll keep trying to do stuff. You know, I'm gonna do some rides, I'm gonna do some installs. Let's see where this goes, because, you know, this is a lot of fun. You know, I mean, this is more fun than I thought it would be. I'm having a great time, so I can only imagine if this is what I've been missing all this time. This is gonna be awesome. So hey, stay tuned. I'll see you. Peace.